And the Fire Department Instructors Conference, the Fdic, is at the Convention Center.
Yeah, it brings a lot of people. More than 33,000 firefighters from all over the world have been in Indianapolis already all week. Joe Malillo is live inside the Convention Center, kind of the hub of where a lot of the activity is taking place. Good morning.
Good morning to you both. Now listen, not only the Convention Center, but also Lucas Oil Stadium. And what you'll notice is that you'll see firefighters around the city as well, because a lot of these drills will be out in different communities here in the city. Now, one of the communities that we always talk to is firefighter Tim's community, Carmel, and he's here today because you're going to give us an inside look. I figured, why not bring you in?
Yeah, well, thank you very much for having me. You know, we're looking at some awesome props, which I kind of had to confess I dealt with this just the other day. I was actually prepping a recipe for Indy Style and had my own oven fire at home.
Yes, you're hearing that correctly.
I had to get the girls out of the house. I said, girls, get out of the house. Teresa wasn't home, my wife. And thank goodness I took all the right steps. But you can kind of...
Ray's here with Lion, and they're the ones that have these products that help train firefighters, and this is a real safe way to do it.
Correct. And so in addition to creating products to help firefighters train, we also create products to help firefighters train the general community.
Sure.
One of the largest types of fires that firefighters face are kitchen fires.
Yeah.
So we have these digital props where communities can train in a safe environment. So
yeah, why don't you hit it?
Yeah.
Okay, so Tim is actually going to try to put this out. No, I'm just kidding. Make sure it's charged up there, bud. See, I told you.
So the first thing you want to do is always pull the pin. So extinguish the flame. So what you're noticing here is that instead of opening the oven, which is a natural reaction that most have, he's actually turning off the stove, because what you want to do is starve that fire in the oven and not introduce oxygen.
So letting it burn out like that. Look at it go down there. And obviously the trash caught fire next to the oven, so Tim put that out, and then obviously it's a safe way to do it. But this is great.
Absolutely.
I put more info on Wish TV, and I also put a Facebook Live, so follow us on Facebook, and you can see us put this out as well. But for now, back to you guys.